Here now come to part 2 of the tour, and we are now going down to the pyramid to see the shop. But this is Patel, but screw all, we are not going on in. You're down to the semi-bicycle. Yeah, we are going out to the pyramid. We're not turning along the pyramid. And the pyramid has been turned into Sfera. So now on to the new Sfera shop.
Pero que yo no tengo pendiente.
And the lift here is a stupid grab flap. What is the button? Is this one? Wow. So what do I have to do on the... Yes, stupidly hit the button.
Monta cargas.
It's just a lift.
Estoy aquí. Sí, gracias.
We have to go up the stairs.
¿Dove tu solo?
No, come you two. Just close the goddamn... The platform lift, I think, is made by ThyssenKrupp. Wow, slow hydraulic lift. So slow. It's just a nice platform.
Eccole qua, che belle.
Wow, sweet.
Ciao, ciao.
Not
Come
cool.
siete gli occhi? Anche Giuseppe, ma non te vede. Sì, sono qua con un centro commerciale a girare.
Oh, a man speaking Italian.
Sono tutte belle, sì.
But just a spider stick.
Va bene, sono tutte belle, sì. Va bene. Poi domani sera mangiamo la pizza, io e te pizzaiola, ok? Domani sera ci mangiamo la pizza io e te, dammi la pizzaiola. Va bene. Una bella giornata lì, è uscito il sole. Mangia un po' di capi grossi. Non c'è fatto,
Mamma mia.
come sei vestita? Ma stai fermo che cazzo?
Dad, is a man speaking in Italian? Is a man here speaking Italian?
Pensi se mi sporco la schiena.
Pensate che sei un pallone, non se lo rivale. Però proprio sei offensivo, però.
You'll see. Yeah, see, the platform lift is made by ThyssenKrupp. Let's just go in the escalator. Let's just go in the spiral stairs. Wow, they look nice. Now we go outside of the pyramid. The pyramid inside has been renovated and changed into a sphere. The ground floor is big and is deep, and the first floor is just a small piece of crap. Anyways, now into the fashion lift. Where do we wanted to go and see if all of the lifts are modernized? This is Roby. Here, come here and let's see what is the way to get to a lift. Sorry. What's up? What? I didn't notice that there was alarm.
Claro. Esto es lo que le pasaba a la
And now you will now come to the lift sound. It's this way to get But I was about to say. And now you will come to the lift sound. I think they are all modernized. I think with that other lift this thing is done. The lift on the right is the middle lift. I think that other lift is more. The modernization is still in progress. In the 5th floor, they removed the old arrows. There just nothing looks like a black piece of crap. I think here is the modernized, the lift that is in progress of modernization. And there was the lift on the left. Notice about chimes. About chimes. Noticing about that.
Milo.
Stop my love, funny. And now into the cafe, which is the most things that I have added on Roblox.
Solo tiene el rojo también.
So coffee sign, I must have them on Roblox. Censor it for your own protection. Not. Yep. He's going to take so gosh darn hard. Cool swimsuits.
Ay, baja abajo, que he visto unos zapatitos.
Oye.
Please have a key and stop that course. Oh, come on. Fine. Let's see the combat. You that is that could be. I don't know how this works. Let me see if there's like one of these can be in there. It says work. I don't know how this works. I don't know how to turn it on, but it doesn't. But it looks like it doesn't work. Dad? Dad, just wait. Why you gosh? Dad, I'm right here. I'm here to take as well. Gosh, done long here. John Smith. Now back to lift. I think. Dad, I'm behind you. Can I go to the lifts and wait? Oh look, a football. Let me just test it. It's not that much. The bounce is so bad. Just good, guys. We are taking another long time. Oh, escalators. So anyways, let's skip to part 3.